Hello and welcome to IBTimes TV. I'm Leanna Brinder, Business Editor for the International Business Times. Joining me now is Anthony Jones. He's the Head of Sales of Imtech Marine. Hi, so thanks for joining us today. So we've got exciting news on the T26. Can you tell us a bit about how Imtech feeds into the wider supply chain?
Absolutely. Imtech's been selected for two major packages on the T26 program. The first and largest is the heating, ventilation and air conditioning system, which spreads throughout the vessel and is quite a major system in terms of engineering. The second system that we've been selected for is the low voltage distribution system, and that comprises the electrical switchboards and distribution network to provide power throughout the ship.
When it comes to the project, what are the next milestones in terms of now we've had this announcement? What are you working towards and in what time frames?
The phases of the project are very much determined by the release of funds from the government. So at the moment we are working through what's called the Design Development Agreement phase, which is the initial concept development engineering work, and that will probably take us through until the end of the year. We then, hopefully, following government approval, will see the main contracts confirmed, and then we start detailed design leading to manufacture, and that will be in early next year, we hope.
Does it worry you guys at all that maybe the warships which are built in Glasgow by BAE, that may put a twig in the spokes in terms of the project being developed in the time frame of 2016 and 2020 going live?
I think the timescales that we're aware of all look entirely credible. Assuming funding comes through when it's scheduled to do so, I think all of the dates that we're aware of leading to the first ship entering service in the early 2020s is entirely feasible.
So even with the threat of Scottish independence maybe creating a bit of a problem?
Well, that particular problem, as was mentioned in the presentation by Jeff Searle, there is no plan B. If there is a positive vote for independence, I think we have to reconsider, not Imtech, our customer has to reconsider, and we hope that it would not introduce a significant delay, but that really is unknown territory at the moment.
Looking at Imtech, what have been the wider implications of the project? Has it created or maintained a certain amount of jobs for you guys?
Well, our intention is to develop the existing team that we have in the UK with knowledge transfer coming in from our competence centres in Hamburg and Rotterdam for HVAC and LV respectively. So we see the creation of new jobs, and those jobs will be enduring jobs to last through the design and into the support phases of the project. So from that point of view, I think this will create new opportunities.
Any ballpark figure on how many that would be, or any percentage of the workforce?
At this stage it's a little bit too early to say. We would hope to be able to certainly confirm the numbers that we have at present. The final structure of the organisation is still under consideration.
Well, thank you very much for joining us today.
My pleasure.